Hello everyone. Welcome back to the WordCraft Hub.
Hi friends, I'm Pooja.
And I'm Kartik.
Today's video is very special and emotional.
Yes, because today we are talking about a day at Grandma's house.
Grandma's house is full of love, care, and warm memories.
And today you will learn easy English through a beautiful daily life story.
If you are learning English, this video is perfect for you.
Please like this video
Subscribe to the WordCraft Hub.
and share it with someone you love.
Now, let's go to Grandma's house in English.
Pooja, when was the last time you went to your grandma's house?
Last month, I stayed there for 2 days.
How did you feel in the morning?
I felt happy and relaxed.
Friends, listen carefully.
Relaxed means calm and peaceful.
At Grandma's house, the morning starts early.
The birds are chirping.
Chirp, chirp.
The air feels fresh.
Grandma wakes up early.
She wakes up before everyone.
She cleans the house slowly.
She smiles and hums a song.
Let's practice sentences.
I wake up early at Grandma's house.
The morning feels calm and fresh.
Grandma wakes up early.
After waking up, we sit together for tea.
Grandma makes hot tea and snacks.
The smell is amazing.
Delicious.
Grandma asks, "Did you sleep well?"
We reply, yes, Grandma.
New phrase, "Did you sleep well?"
It means, did you have good sleep?
Grandma cooks breakfast with love.
She makes simple food.
Paratha, fruits and milk.
Everything tastes better at Grandma's house.
Practice time.
I eat breakfast with my grandma.
The food tastes delicious.
After breakfast, we sit near Grandma.
She tells us stories from the past.
Old stories, funny stories, life stories.
We listen quietly.
Grandma says, when I was young,
We smile and listen carefully.
listening is an important skill.
Yes, listening helps us learn English too.
New word, memories,
Memories are thoughts from the past.
sentence practice.
Grandma tells us stories.
I love listening to her stories.
In the afternoon, everything is slow.
There is no rush.
Grandma takes a short nap.
We also rest.
Sometimes we help Grandma.
We water plants.
We clean small things.
Grandma feels happy.
Helping is a good habit.
Helping makes relationships strong.
Let's practice.
I help my grandma at home.
She feels happy.
In the evening, Grandma makes snacks
She makes tea and biscuits.
or homemade sweets.
Yum!
We sit outside or near the window.
The weather feels nice.
We talk and laugh.
Grandma asks simple questions.
How is your school?
How is your work?
We answer politely.
This is good English practice.
Sentence practice.
I drink tea in the evening.
I talk with my grandma.
At night, Grandma cooks dinner.
The food is simple but tasty.
We eat together.
Family time is very important.
After dinner, Grandma gives advice.
She says kind words.
Study well.
Be honest.
Be kind.
Grandma's words stay in our heart.
New phrase. Stay in the heart.
It means we remember forever.
Before sleeping, we say, "Good night, Grandma."
She smiles and blesses us.
Now it's your turn, friends.
Write in the comments.
Answer this question.
How do you feel at your grandma's house?
Use these sentences.
I feel happy at my grandma's house.
My grandma cooks delicious food.
I love spending time with my grandma.
Let's recap today's lesson.
We talked about a full day at grandma's house.
Morning, afternoon, evening, and night.
We learned daily English words,
We practiced simple sentences.
and we shared emotions in English.
Thank you for watching the WordCraft Hub.
We hope you enjoyed this emotional English story.
Please like, subscribe, and share.
In the next video, we will bring another real-life English topic.
Until then,
Keep learning, keep smiling. See you soon!